Hi friends, welcome to Vegetable World. Today I am going to share some useful information about world's costliest vegetable that is called as hopshoots. Hopshoots are botanically called as Humulus lupulus. It belongs to family Cannabinaceae. It is a dioecious perennial climbing plant. It is mainly grown for its female inflorescence cone. It is formally defined as strobilus sporangia bearing structure densely aggregated along its stem. The first documented use of hopshoots in beer from 9th century having the antibacterial effect over less desirable microorganisms. World's top hopshoot producing countries were USA, Germany and China. 88% of world production is obtained from USA and all European countries. It was actually having a long history, being used as various medicinal, household and culinary purposes. The fresh green shoots have a short shelf life, so they can be consumed shortly or processed to store a product safely for a long period. Example, pickled hopshoots. It was once cultivated in Lahore, Himachal Pradesh. Later it was abandoned due to lack of marketing facility. Hopshoots contain alkaloids called humulone or alpha acid. It is further isomerized to form isohumulone, which causes bitterness in beer that can be minimized by adding artificial sweeteners. Another one alkaloid called lupulones, which is otherwise called as beta acid. These are desirable for aroma contributions to the beer. The main components of hopshoots essential oil are terpene hydrocarbons such as myrcene, humulene, caryophyllene, about 80 to 90% in the essential oil. Myrcene is responsible for pungent smell of hopshoots. As like onion is having allyl propyl disulfide and garlic is having diallyl disulfide as a pungency principle that we have noted in our horticultural books. The commercial production requires a particular environment, that's why it is highly demanded and fetches higher price. It's a warm, humid, tropical plant, so it can be cultivated in the warm, humid region. It's a climbing plant, trial to grow up in the trellis made up of stringers or wire. It is mostly propagated by vegetative method. The seed propagation is undesirable for beverage industries. Generally, the male plants are culled if propagated by seeds. The harvesting of hops became much more efficient with the invention of mechanical hop separator patented by Emil Clemens Horst in 1909. This is a pictorial representation of various developmental stages of hopshoots: shoot emergence, leaf development, flowering, development of cones, maturity of cones are represented in this picture. This is a pictorial representation of seeds of hops, then rooted cuttings of hops, then trained hopshoots, then fully grown hops. Here I am going to tell one information that is very important, that is called as noble hops. Noble hops is nothing but it's having the low bitterness and high aroma content. Alpha is to beta ratio of 1:1 and low alpha acid levels 2 to 5% with low humulone content. Low myrcene content, high humulone in oil. A ratio of humulene and caryophyllene above 3 is essential. Thank you everyone.